it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking to boost the appeal of your space and also provide functionality, one way to do that is with this mirror by TETOTE. This is their brushed nickeled mirror and it has the perfect clarity. It looks fantastic sitting on a mantle. And it's really nice that this is rust resistant, very durable. So it's great anywhere in my home, even the bathroom or kitchen where there's water splashing. And I also appreciate that it does have a really strong, durable frame that protrudes out, making it have that floating look. And it's very smooth and seamless around the edges, sophisticated, and it gives it that really pretty modern feeling. I like how pristinely packaged it was. It was packaged to perfection with everything I needed to install it, two French cleats, the screws, and the anchors, and it was so simple and easy to do. I also like that it can be hung horizontally or vertically. And really, this mirror is exactly what I was looking for.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.